Yesterday, there was an incident in Uasin Gishu County where the party leader of our opposing party some violence was actually meted on the Honorable Raila Odinga. Let me state categorically that the United Democratic Alliance and all our Kenya Kwanza partners are believers in a peaceful, progressive Kenya. We are committed to a peaceful nomination exercise and a peaceful election in August 9, 2022. We have given very clear instructions to our members that all members of UDA and our Kenya Kwanza alliance must never engage in any acts of violence. Violence is retrogressive, primitive, and as I said, tears down our democracy. I have instructed the party to work with the police so that we can get to the root of what happened yesterday in Eldoret, and if any of our party candidates were involved, we are going to take disciplinary action against any candidate who may have been involved in the violence that was meted out against the Honorable Raila Odinga. We are firm believers in a democratic society where every Kenyan politician, leader, or candidate must be given the space and the opportunity to sell their ideas. Our contest is about ideas that will move Kenya into the future. Our competitors must be given that opportunity the same way we want to have that opportunity. And therefore, I have issued instructions to the party that if any of our candidates was involved in that exercise, we did take the position that any candidate who engages themselves in violence, and especially violence against women, will be disqualified. So I want to reiterate again to all our members across the country, all our candidates across the country, that violence is a no-go zone. That violence cannot be part of the modus operandi of the UDA or our Kenya Kwanza coalition partners.